So here we have the Hyundai Tucson on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 27,565. And then above that, you have the main trip computer section. So you can change the information displayed there. For example, you can have that digital readout for the speedometer. Various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. But we've also got satellite navigation, amongst other systems you can see available, and they are changed with every push of this button and then adjusted with this one. We've also got cruise control and speed limiter over that side. On the left hand side we have stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used once you pair the phone up to the car, and that is done up on the main screen just here. Hit the phone icon, you'd hit add new. We're not going to do that at this moment in time, of course. When it comes to music, we've got the radio. And you can see down here we have FM, AM and DAB radio available. If you want to listen to your own music, you press the media button. Nothing is connected up at the moment. But you can listen to your music via auxiliary input, USB input as well. You can also stream it wirelessly via Bluetooth audio should you wish to do that. This car's also got satellite navigation. We've done a full video showing how this system works on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. And if I pop the car into reverse, you'll see a full color reversing camera with guidelines to show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image being shown on the screen. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, you can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in down here, and then when you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on and off with that button, or hit auto. The car will now maintain those temperatures by taking control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. You can override that manually at any time you wish to. Your auto has now gone off, and you can put it back on your own setting just here as well. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same over here for the passenger side. Beneath that, we have 2 12-volt charging sockets, your auxiliary and USB inputs, as well as some storage just here. A 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons. So that turns our parking sensors on and off. This one turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. And then these two, I'll show you starting with this one up here. If I give that a push, that will turn that green symbol to the right hand side of the speedometer on, as you can see. That's letting you know that you've turned on downhill brake control should you wish to take the car off road. I've just turned that off again. And the button above that changes the steering mode from normal to sport. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.